ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಗೆ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಮೈಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಸುಗುಣ HG, ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್, JFGC and PG Center, Chintamani. In this video, we are going to learn pedal equation for polar curves and few problems on pedal equations. Let P of r theta be any point on the curve with respect to the pole O. See, in the diagram, O is the fixed point and OX is the initial line. This is the curve. R is equal to f of theta. On the curve, we have marked point P with the coordinates r comma theta, and the line joining P to O is called radius vector, that is denoted by R. Let P be the length of the perpendicular from the pole to the tangent. At the point P, we have drawn a tangent PM joined OM, which is the perpendicular length from a pole to the tangent. Then the coordinates P comma R are called the pedal coordinates of the point P on the curve. Then the pedal equation of the curve P is equal to f of r. So an equation of the curve in the pedal form is expressed as P is equal to f of r. The pedal equation of the curve is also called as PR equation. The working rule to find the pedal equation of the curve whose equations are given in the polar form. First step, let us consider the curve r is equal to f of theta. Find phi in terms of theta using the relation tan phi is equal to r into d theta by dr. This is the angle between the radius vector and the tangent. After finding phi, we have to eliminate theta and phi from the equations. R is equal to f of theta, tan phi is equal to r d theta by dr, and p is equal to r sin phi. So we can eliminate theta and phi by using the equations r is equal to f of theta, tan phi is equal to r d theta by dr, and p is equal to r sin phi to get the pedal equation of the curve. And also we can use the equation given below to eliminate theta, that is 1 by p square is equal to 1 by r square plus 1 by r to the power of 4 dr by d theta whole square. Now let us work out few problems by following these steps. Find the pedal equation of the curve r to the power of n is equal to a to the power of n sin n theta. Here the given curve is r to the power of n is equal to a to the power of n sin n theta. Now taking log both sides, log r to the power of n is equal to log a power of n sin n theta. Now differentiating this equation, we get n by r into dr by d theta is equal to 0 plus n cos n theta by sin n theta. See, the derivative of log r to the power of n is n by r into dr by d theta. Then the derivative of log of a power of n sin n theta means it is log a power of n plus log sin n theta. Log a power of n's derivative is 0. Then log sin n theta's derivative with respect to theta is 1 by sin n theta into derivative of sin n theta is cos n theta, then into derivative of theta, that is n. So n cos n theta by sin n theta we get by differentiating log a power of n sin n theta. By simplifying this, we get, see, n we have cancelled. 1 by r into dr by d theta is equal to cot n theta. Cot n theta means it is cos n theta by sin n theta. So which implies r into d theta by dr is equal to tan n theta. We have taken the reciprocal of 1 by r dr by d theta, that is r into d theta by dr. Then 1 by cot theta is equal to tan n theta, which implies that tan phi is equal to tan n theta. Why? Because tan phi is equal to r into d theta by dr. This is the standard formula to find the angle between the radius vector and the tangent. So this implies tan phi is equal to tan n theta. So which implies phi is equal to n theta. Consider P is equal to r sin theta, which implies sin n theta is equal to P by r. Because phi is equal to n theta, so by substituting n theta in this equation, we get sin n theta is equal to P by r. Now substitute this value in the given curve. So we get r to the power of n is equal to a to the power of n P by r. See, sin n theta, we have taken it as P by r. So r to the power of n is equal to a to the power of n P by r. Further, transferring this r to LHS, we get r to the power of n plus 1 is equal to P into a power of n, which is the required Pedal equation. See, completely we have eliminated theta and phi from this equation. So it is a PR equation. We work out another problem. Find PR equation of the curve r is equal to a secant hyperbolic n theta. Here the given curve is r is equal to a secant hyperbolic n theta. Now differentiating this with respect to theta, we get dr by d theta is equal to minus rn tan hyperbolic n theta. Now consider the equation 1 by p square is equal to 1 by r square plus 1 by r to the power of 4 into dr by d theta whole square. Now substitute dr by d theta from the above result, that is minus rn tan hyperbolic n theta. So we get 1 by p square is equal to 1 by r square plus 1 by r to the power of 4 into minus rn tan hyperbolic n theta whole square. Now squaring this and simplifying, we get 1 by p square is equal to 1 by r square plus 1 by r to the power of 4 into r square n square tan hyperbolic square n theta. Now cancel one r square and substitute tan hyperbolic square n theta is 1 minus secant hyperbolic square n theta. 1 by p square is equal to 1 by r square plus n square by r square into 1 minus r square by a square. Why? Because r is equal to a secant hyperbolic n theta. So secant hyperbolic square means we'll get r square by a square. Now simplifying this equation, we get 1 by p square is equal to 1 minus n square by r square plus n square by a square, which is the required Pedal equation of the curve. Problem 3. Find PR equation of the conic L by R is equal to 1 plus E cos theta. Here the given equation is L by R is equal to 1 plus E cos theta. Now differentiating with respect to theta, we get 1 by R square into dr by d theta is equal to minus E sin theta. This implies dr by d theta is equal to r square E sin theta by L. We have equated to dr by d theta. Now we have to eliminate theta from this equation. So consider 1 by p square is equal to 1 by r square plus 1 by r to the power of 4 dr by d theta whole square. So this implies 1 by p square is equal to 1 by r square plus 1 by r to the power of 4 dr by d theta we have substituted, that is r square E sin theta by L whole square. Now squaring and simplifying this, we get 1 by p square is equal to 1 by r square plus E square sin square theta by L square. See, r to the power of 4, r to the power of 4 cancels here. So further this implies 1 by p square is equal to 1 by r square plus E square by L square 1 minus 1 by E square into L by r minus 1 whole square. See, this we have taken from the given equation. In the given equation, we have L by R is equal to 1 plus E cos theta. So cos theta is equal to L by R is equal to 1 plus E cos theta is the given equation. So by equating to cos theta, we get L by E into 1 by R minus 1. Cos square theta means whole square of that, and sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. By using sin square theta is equal to 1 minus square theta and substituting the cos square theta value, we get 1 minus 1 by E square into L by R minus 1 whole square. So therefore, by simplifying this, we get 1 by P square is equal to 1 by L square plus E square minus 1 plus 2L by R. So this is the required PR equation of the given curve.